We finally made it. It's time is it, guys?
Bedtime. 1 o'clock or something.
It's almost 11 o'clock.
Oh my God.
We picked a spot. We're unloading now real quick, get some tents up, and we'll see what we can get into tomorrow.
I journey through the darkness, through the deepest and the hardest. I wear the scars like tattoos, every single break and bruise, so I know what the cost is. I'll go through anything.
Well, we made it. Just woke up, got here late last night. First time seeing this spot in daylight. It's our little base camp. Probably should have my gun in my hand, but I want to see an elk, so I left it at the truck. We'll see if that bites me. Beautiful morning though. Beautiful. You can see everything out in front of us is not burnt. We found a spot just inside the burn area. We got here 11:30 last night. I mean, just beautiful. Our base camp, not bad for putting up at nighttime. We're sitting at 9,400 feet. Gotta say I'm not the best in shape, and the air don't seem too bad. Just like 3 years ago when we were in Wyoming, which is just, actually I think it's about, I don't know, 2 miles that way. Quick little rundown. Breakfast. Pop-Tarts. Coffee bar. And a bottle of water.
So it's about 12 o'clock. Day one. Just trying to get a good feel for how the area is. See what kind of vantage points we have. Sneaking along here. Wind in my face. Keep seeing some mule deer tracks. Maybe an elk or two track. Brad and Charlie did see a mule deer already. It's a 2x2. We'll keep on sneaking along here. Probably get really find a good vantage point and sit down and glass a little bit. Make a game plan for this evening. I'm just awe-stricken by how big this country is. Just wow. Got some fresh sign. That's a smart one. That's still wet. Well, it just lit up here. We were sitting here Charlie made a sickly sounding bugle. I had one answer. We were sitting there waiting. Heard this crashing up above us. 2 cows came down. Brad took a shot. Hit the first one. Then we all fired at it, running. Now, it stopped a couple times. We both me, Charlie, shot. We're up here tracking. And here comes another chow. Me and it locked eyes about 30 yards away. Got more blood on it. She was looking straight at me. We gotta go back and get our packs. It got really exciting real quick.
Well, first year muzzleloader hunting, we got a elk down. Took a couple shots, but we have elk meat in the freezer.
Found some nice meadows. And on Elk Highway here, we bumped into a local guy from Colorado. There was a 4x4 over here. He only has a cow tag. Pretty sure he bumped him out. He was playing with a little bit, he said. But he kind of screwed us up for the evening hunt, so we trying to sneak our way back through here. Out here Tuesday morning. Got up pretty early. Listened for bugles. We think we heard one pretty far off. So we're gonna sneak down here in this bottoms, kind of still hunt. Seeing we don't have anything really concrete to go on. Supposed to rain today. We'll see if we get wet and before we get done with the morning hunt. Well, this is it. We're cleaning up. We had a bull yesterday Charlie shot at. Couldn't find anything, whether he hit it. He thinks he hit it, said it dropped, but it was a pretty high shot. Never found any hair, never found any blood. But we're packing up campsite. We're getting tidied up this morning and head our way back. Real quick with a side note. Brad walked so much, he took the sole right off his shoe.